Here is how we can use sidebar on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. First and foremost, you need to know how to enable or disable the sidebar, because I believe it is not enabled by default. So let's open settings, scroll down a little bit and go to gestures, and then over here we have the sidebar. Here we can disable or enable the whole sidebar. Tap on this setting over here in order to jump to the settings where you can add and remove apps from the sidebar. Over here on the left side we have apps that are added, and over here we can tap on apps that we want to include on the sidebar. We can also switch to tools and contacts as well if you grant the permission, so you have a quicker access to certain apps, tools or contacts. Tap on this setting over here in the top right corner in order to find some additional options. In order to start using the sidebar, by default we have it over here on the right side, and we need to simply swipe towards the middle in order to open it. You can grab by this line over here at the top in order to change the position of the sidebar. Tap on these dots that we have on the left side at the bottom in order to open the list of all apps that we have on our phone. And that is essentially it. By opening sidebar, we also have access to settings here, so you don't have to go through all these settings. You can just tap on the setting icon in order to jump to settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.